Yes.
Go. Okay, so ovarian ligament right here. Visceral peritoneum is the membrane that surrounds it. The tunica albuginea is this pink layer of cells with the blue nuclei. The ovarian blood vessels right here. Primary follicles, growing follicles. That's the secondary follicles. You can call them secondary if you want. Tertiary, we already did that before. Corpus hemorrhagicum, corpus luteum is the yellow, and then corpus albicans are all the white ones. On this model, the vesicouterine pouch is right between the uterus and the bladder. The rectouterine pouch between the uterus and the rectum. Serosa is the same thing as the visceral peritoneum. It's this outer layer right here. Myometrium is the muscular layer of the uterus, and then that dark red lining, the inside is the endometrium. There's the vagina. The fornix is in the back. The orifice is the hole, and the hymen's not on here, but it would be a piece of connective tissue that covers the orifice. The vulva is everything outside, all the external stuff. Mons pubis is the fat pad right there. Labia majora, labia minora. The clitoris is right there. The prepuce is the foreskin, just like it was on the male. So it's that piece of skin right there. And then the glans is the tip. For the uterine tubes, if you look here, this would be the uterus. There's the ovary. The uterine tube is this tube right here. And if you look inside here, it'd be hard to get video of there. You've got 3 tubes right here. This one is the round ligament. Yes. The fallopian tube or the uterine tube is right here. And then the ovarian ligament is the one in the back. On the uterine tube, there's a bunch of structures that are really hard to see on here. There's a picture in the book that shows them. What you can see are the fimbriae, which make like little fingers that cover the ovary. Okay, back to the uterus. The fundus is the front. The body is the main part, and then the isthmus is where it narrows and starts to head down. The cervix is this piece of tissue right at the bottom of the uterus. And the os is the hole in it. There's an internal os, which is the hole right here, and the external os is the hole right in the middle of the cervix. The vestibule is the first third, and those glands, I would ask as a question, are glands in the vestibule. And the perineum is right there, a piece of skin in front of the anus, and the mammary glands are in the book.
Okay.